What's up guys, Dave with Fixing for Fun. Today we're going to be putting some holes in my boat. So tag along and let's see the proper way to do it. So what's going on is we're putting a new sound system in the boat. And as you can see, these aftermarket speakers don't drop in and sit flush. So we have to open up the hole. If you were to take the hole saw, it's got a pilot bit, but it's going to walk, it's going to grab, it's going to tear. How do you do that? Now, I've seen videos where people put little screws in to try and center it. The easiest way to do it is to make a template. Get yourself a piece of scrap wood, pre-cut a hole, center it up, get yourself a clamp, now, when you go to drill, you get a perfect hole right where you want it. Okay, so there's a little piece we cut out. Now she's ready for the proper install. I hope this trick works out well for you. If it does, let me know in the comments what you used it for. As always, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.